This ultrasonic jewelry cleaning machine was sent to me by the company to check out and test out so that I could do a review and show you how it actually works. So I decided to use it on my antique white gold diamond ring. So everything comes very nicely packaged. You will receive the actual container. You'll receive the manual and the charging cord. Inside is a basket where you can put your jewelry if it's a small piece like I'll be using. You also want to make sure to take off the plastic wrap that is very tightly on the top lid. Once that's done, plug it in and then add the water or solution, along with solution if you have it. And here is a close-up of my ring. You can see it's looking pretty dull. Got some crud just build up in some of the holes on the side that you can see there. So I'm really curious to see how this works. So I'm putting it in the basket, placing it in the water, shut the lid, and then adjust the knob to the proper setting, which will set the timer. Now you can see it is counting down. And it took this about 4 minutes for mine. Once it was done, I was able to pull it out and rinse it off and then dry it with a soft cloth. I decided to use a paper towel. And here you can see that it actually did do a really nice job of cleaning. It's much more sparkly, it's not so dull, and it actually got rid of quite a bit of the crud that was on the inside. So I'm really happy with this, and it did a really nice job. Once you're done, just make sure to empty all the contents and let it dry before storing. Hope you found this video helpful.